Hello everyone, and welcome to this Emini S&P futures review using SmartTools for SmartLevels. The chart is a 2-point range bar chart based on tick data. All times shown are Eastern Standard Time, which is Greenwich Mean Time Zone 5. I will be reviewing this chart from February the 17th through February the 25th, which is today, ignoring any news events for any single day. This first trade setup of the day was after the open. The open was right around in here, and these black bars, of course, separate the overnight trading activity from the day session trading. And the market finally made a move up, made it to this position trading level, and the setup triggered, and you can see made it to the first profit target. No trade here, no trade here or here. And now we're in the next day. We get a trade that reaches both profit targets and two lower position trading levels. Moving into the next day, we get a long setup here, which makes it to both software profit targets. You can see the second software target's very near the day trading level. Then it's back down. This trade setup is a butte. Goes down to reach several profit targets, including several lower position trading levels. These don't trigger. This long setup is towards the end of the day, and it just reaches the single profit target. Let's just go forward here. We're in a new day now. Let's take a look at this setup. This reaches the first profit target. This doesn't trigger. This is invalid. This doesn't trigger. And this is the next trade, which is validated by the SmartLevels. The entry, however, is right on the position trade level, which is okay. And the trade goes down to reach both profit targets and very nearly this position trading level. Eventually it does, and the one lower than that, and then reverses higher. This is the next setup. And going forward, you can see this made it to both profit targets, and then we got a pullback below the position trading level. This setup triggered and reached both profit targets. Back into the overnights, the market dropped. Just go forward here. This is the first setup of this day. This trade reaches the first profit target, pulls back. Then we have a short setup validated by the day trading level here, which eventually reaches the first profit target, and then the market pulls back again. If you were still in this trade, you would still hold on to it, but this is a great re-entry point or a place to add on if you like. This trade, this would be an add-on from this first trade here. This would be a new trade set up here, as this trade has an entry below the position trading level. And you can see all these trades reached lower profit targets. This is another day, I believe. Is this right? No, this is the afternoon session just before the lunch hour ends. This made it to the first profit target. Then back up. This trade made it to both profit targets, the overhead day trading level and the overhead position trading level. The market pulled back from here. This long setup was validated by the position trading level, reached the first profit target, and then this trade is right at the end of the day. This is a minute before the close. No trade there. We're in the next day's trading. The market goes higher. The setup bar is validated by the smart level, reaches both profit targets and the overhead smart level. Pulls back. This trade is in no man's land. This setup, this is the end of today's chart. This is a trade in progress. The trade triggered. This is not the nicest of trades. We have a confluence of position trading levels here. It might be prudent to take a setup like this once you're over this higher position trading level. In any case, the trade's in progress, and it's just slightly underwater. Well, that's all for this review, and that's all for now.